Clickup is a powerful project management tool that can be effectively used for construction management by organizing tasks, timelines, budgets, and teams all in one place. Here's how to use Clickup for managing construction projects. Set up workspaces and folders. Create a workspace for your construction business. Within it, create folders for different projects or phases. Create lists and tasks. Within each folder, create lists for specific work categories. Add tasks for individual jobs like pour foundation or install HVAC. Assign responsibilities. Assign tasks to team members, subcontractors, or vendors. Add due dates, checklists, and attachments like blueprints or contracts. Use views for better oversight. Utilize Gantt view for timelines, board view for workflow, and calendar view for deadlines and meetings. Track progress and budget. Use custom fields to track costs, materials, or time spent. Add status labels like in progress, blocked, or completed for visual tracking. Automate and communicate. Automate updates and reminders. Use ClickUp docs and comments to keep communication centralized.